Let's walk outside. Ooh, it's bright. What's going on, Joyriders? We are gonna get into some stuff today. So today, we're just gonna pretty much wing it. I've got so much stuff to do. I'm gonna get Laura's tire put on her Jeep, get that fixed for her, get the cars cleaned up, and then Caleb and Brian should be coming over. I don't know for sure yet, but they said they're gonna come over. Caleb wants to do some modifications to his RTR Mustang, so we're gonna put it on the lift, maybe do some stuff to that, but I don't know this vlog. I don't know where this vlog is gonna end up, but it's gonna end up somewhere. It's gonna be fun. Just hang out and enjoy. We're gonna do some fun shit today. That's nasty salt right there. That's disgusting. Yeah, we gotta get that done. I need gas. Head and get these tires put on, and then head back to the house, get them on the Jeep, and then get into some fun stuff with the Mustangs. So I'm back at the house. I didn't want to vlog the entire thing and bore the hell out of you guys. So I got the new tire mounted and everything. Found out that the TPMS sensor is completely shattered. The old tire actually doesn't seem like it's in bad condition, so I may order another rim and use it as like a spare. But the inside of the tire completely looks fine. My garage is starting to look like a tire shop. Look at that. I got, oh yeah, Starbucks. But anyways, got a tire there, stack of tires there. Also, in the gender reveal video, a lot of people were saying, oh, I could tell the smoke was gonna be blue before you even did the burnout. But you know what? I'm looking at the tires now, they look pink. And in the video, it actually looked purple because when we were looking at them before we even did the burnout, I was thinking that I might have gotten sent the wrong tires because it had the pinkish purple tint to it, but they were blue. I gotta go run inside and grab a jacket. It is starting to get cold out here and it's starting to get dark out. Caleb's on his way, so we're gonna go do something to his car. I don't know, but you guys gotta wait and see what we're doing to Caleb's car. I don't even know. He said he wanted to put it on the lift and do something, so we're gonna find out. What are you doing, buddy? Huh? Are you trying to steal my cars?
I am going.
Every time I turn around, he's in my little man cave area, taking my cars off the shelf and playing with them. I don't know why he likes mine more than his. And that's little Liam. Look at that. That's tubbed right there. Babe, wait till he sees this. He's about to freak out. Logan hasn't seen this thing yet. Were you eating Oreo cookies again?
Yeah.
Buddy?
I want to try the Mustang.
You want to lift the Mustang? Let's fix these little posts. Let's lift the Mustang. So anyways, while I'm waiting on Caleb to get here, I'm gonna let little man, he's gonna play with the little lift. It is already starting to get dark, but little man, he's gonna be occupied for a while with that. And if anybody's interested in that thing, I'll put the link in the description on Amazon where I got that little lift thing. I don't know, maybe you guys are car guys, you collect little model cars like I do, and you might think that is pretty cool. I'm gonna put the welds back on, take these off. What's going on? Somebody's coming out here. What are you doing, buddy? Looks like little man is coming out here to join us. I thought he would have been occupied with that little toy lift, so we're gonna put the welds back on the GT500. You want to put the welds back on?
Yeah.
We're going to get the burners off.
Get the fast ones off.
Hey, buddy, if you want to be out here with Dada, you got to put your jacket on, okay? All right, Mommy got your jacket. Go get it. All right, come on. Let's get these off. You're going to help me?
Yeah.
All right.
Dada's not good. Wait, Dada?
Yep. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Let's get it on here.
Yeah.
All right, the top one. Push it. You got it? Push it. Alright. We got it. Get that washer out for me.
Yeah. There we go. There we go. Your car can't go anymore.
They can't go anymore. Why not?
This one on.
Yep, we're gonna put this one on. You got it?
Yeah.
Ugh. It's heavy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Look at you.
Dada,
Yep, you screw them.
That's my favorite.
Did you get it?
Does it sound like a fast car? There are 2 cars coming. There's 2 of them.
Yeah, they got here late. It's dark.
What's going on, dude?
Not much.
See my dirty car?
Yeah, all the cars are dirty right now with this bad weather. Show the vlog your hands. Look at that. That right there is a mechanic's hands. What's up, dude? What's up?
Not much, dude.
Like the hoodie. That's nice. That's nice. Melissa, welcome to the vlog. So you know how everybody in the video kept saying that the wheels looked blue, right? Look at this. What color does that look?
It looks like pink.
Doesn't that look like pink?
I said before you even did the burnout, I was like, oh, dude, that's definitely a girl. But
Yeah. Doesn't that look pink?
yeah, that's what I was looking at. I was like, why is the tire pink?
It looks
Clearly
pink.
You saw that in the video.
And it's clearly blue smoke. Yeah, it's weird. I don't get it. But hey, you know what? I guess it's good. You can like really fool people.
At least you roasted them.
I roasted the shit out of those things.
Nice.
Look at that. You're gonna make a great dad, Brian. You're gonna be a good dad.
They call me daddy.
Oh shit. Run him over. Run him over. Look at that. Woo! Mustang driver in training. Get him. Run over Caleb.
You better not.
Get him! Crowd control. That right there, guys, is our future Mustanger. We're gonna pull this out, and then Caleb's gonna bring his in there, and he's gonna do some ricer mods. What do you think? What do you got today? What are we putting on?
Just control arms.
Just control arms, or you're putting on?
Yeah, I'm putting them on.
There we go. Where's the control arms at?
Behind the wheel?
No, the actual controller. Aren't they in a box?
Yeah, they're right there.
What brand are these? RTR? They should have already been on the car. It's an RTR. What do they have on here now? That's a complete fail right there. Complete fail for RTR. They should have put the RTR control arms on. Where are we going, guys? Back. We're actually leaving before we got even started. We're gonna go pick up some food and go pick up some tools that I don't have, or that I lost. That's bad. Now that I have a camper, I spot them.
Like right
everywhere.
Like when you start shopping for a car and that's the only thing you see.
Yeah. I spy a camper sitting right over there. We're gonna walk in here. We're gonna give you guys a little bit of a people of Walmart. I don't know if you guys been on that website before. It's Brian, you can probably go see all of his relatives on there.
Yeah. Dude, your sister might be in there.
Dude, my sister might be on there. Cheeseburger girl. Caleb, aren't you a chubby chaser?
Dude, that's all me.
That's all you. It's all you.
I think it's from hanging around you, man.
What? All right, dude. We have to stop at the toy cars. We need some channel locks. Whenever I buy Logan toy cars, I even tell Lauren, I was like, we cannot buy him like the stupid crap. We have to buy him like actual cars that exist. Because if you look at Hot Wheel cars,
Like this?
they've got like all these like random. What is that?
Like, get him this pack.
An old Vet, Ford GT, Supra. Dude, that's pretty sick Mustang. Well, we got a Charger right there.
It
Yeah.
sucks when you find the ones where you only want one car.
Yeah, like that one's pretty cool. And then the only one you want is the GTR. The one thing I like about Matchbox, they're pretty good for like actually having actual cars. That one's actually pretty sick. Brian Supra. Look at this.
Well, that's an air freshener Melissa put in on time.
It's cute. Anyways, we're heading over to Chick-fil-A. Come on. Are we all ordering together?
Yeah, you're paying.
Shakes. Chick-fil-A bags.
Chick-fil-A delivery.
We'll catch you guys at the house. Whoa. Dude. Really? You know what? I'm gonna have to stop riding with your ass. Back at the house, got the Chick-fil-A. What did Logan do to this thing? Let me see you do a burnout. And he crashed into Thomas. You are a Mustang driver. So you got the new one already connected?
Yep, and we took
Already?
the stock one and we put them next to each other and put the bolts next into the holes. So you have since it's adjustable length, they came shorter than the stock arm. You don't have any, do you, JD?
Somebody a comment and be like, oh, you should have routed it this way.
It cracks me up.
What's Caleb over here doing?
For YouTube mechanics.
YouTube mechanics, where you watching CJ Pony Parts? Oh, Bill's teaching you how to install these, right? Yeah, they are. The only thing left now is just zip tie these up.
Do you guys enjoy the fact that JD didn't touch this car once?
I didn't. I might put the stickers on the lower control lens.
So if you guys want to see a channel where people actually like kind of know how to work on cars and stuff, feel free to go check out mine, you know, Focamaster BS. JD will link it down below.
Yeah, go check out his spark plug video.
They have special sockets for spark plugs. I don't particularly like them because it's not like I'm throwing any check engine lights.
Look at him, look.
Huh? Yeah, I hate those things. They don't ever work for me. That's called redneck ingenuity.
I'm gonna have to just go ahead and just wrap this video up.
That's what you think.
What? No, I'm wrapping this video up. It's ending now, so hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Chubby chaser? Dude, are you serious? Dude. What's wrong with that? That's awesome, man.
Like that?
I'm gonna leave it on there. It's staying on the car, dude.
Good.
It's staying on the car.
It's on the other side too.
Did you really put it on the
Yeah.
other side?
It's gotta be symmetrical.
Oh,
That's why
you guys do that.
when I was taking a shit,